Hey guys, my name is Rachel Metz from Living to DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you these solar black LED flicker flame path lights from Hampton Bay that are available in a 2-pack on homedepot.com now.
These Hampton Bay solar black LED flicker flame path lights are honestly so stunning and will up the ante to your outdoor game instantly. These lights create the illusion of an actual flame inside the light's housing for a unique lighting effect with no wiring necessary. These are insanely easy to assemble and install. You just want to slide the arm to the base of the light, and then the stake that goes into the ground slides into that sleeve. Each light includes a solar rechargeable battery and features an option to set the light to flame effect or steady solid light. Install really couldn't be more simple. You put the stake in the ground where you'd like the light, you add the light on top of that, you let it just turn into nighttime, and then you have this cozy path lighting in your space. If you want to add a touch of flair to your landscape with Hampton Bay's Flicker Flame Path Light 2-pack, be sure to check out more over on homedepot.com.